This is an aloe vera leaf. As you can see, it's wet because I've cleaned it, so rinse it thoroughly. Just make it clean, alright? Then we cut the tops. Or the top, there's only one top. And we can cut the bottom like this. And away with that. You can see that gel. Good stuff. The next step is to make pieces like this. A good portion pieces. And for this I'm just going to do this version in half. So we're going to put this in water for 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes, it's not an exact science, right? Here comes the water, and in goes the aloe vera. The water will kind of soak away the unwanted stuff, so we are not getting much of that in us. Now when you buy aloe vera products, they haven't gone through this procedure and they have probably been heat treated, so this is the only way to kind of get the fresh good stuff. As always, use cold water. Alright, it's time to get them out and slice off the green part. This is what I got from my leaf. It's not much, but it's pretty intensive. So I'm gonna soak this in water again for about 10-15 minutes, and then it will be ready. The aloe vera is back from the water, and let's just try fresh raw aloe vera. I can tell you this, it's good for you, but it doesn't taste good. This is better used in smoothies or in some kind of recipes, or if you really enjoy the taste, well, all the best to you. I will now make a smoothie, and everybody knows how to make a smoothie, so the video will stop here. Thanks for watching, all the best, ciao.